Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making fried shrimp balls. For this dish we need 10 shrimp just cleaned and deveined, and we're going to take 2 heavy cleavers and we're going to smash this up into a puree, just a fine mince. You can also use a food processor, but this way is much more fun. Once that's all chopped up, we're going to put that into a bowl and we're going to grate in a 1/2-inch piece of ginger and 1 very large clove of garlic right into the bowl. Next up, we are going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground white pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1/2 tablespoon of shaoxing wine, with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 egg white. And we're going to give this a really thorough mix, just mixing in one direction until we get a dumpling filling. Then we're going to pop this in the fridge to set while we work on the rest of the ingredients. You need spring roll wrappers for this. You can use wonton wrappers, but they're a little thick. So if you can find spring roll wrappers, get that. So we need about 6 of these. And we're going to cut these into thirds and then into strips. This is what we're going to use to coat the outside of our shrimp ball. So just cutting into thirds and then even-ish shrimps. It's fine if it's not perfect. It's all going to taste the same. So once they're all cut up, we're going to pull them apart because they've kind of stuck together, and this part was tedious, so I'm not going to show you a lot of that. Now to form this, we're going to wet our hands with some water so the shrimp doesn't stick. Then we're going to take about a tablespoon of the shrimp filling, place it in the palm of our hand, roll it into a ball, and dip this into the wonton wrappers, or I should say spring roll wrappers. And trust me, this will stick. You just want to coat this up, roll it around in your hands. It's going to get a little messy, but that's okay. If you want to, you can cut those really long strips off. I didn't, and it worked out pretty well. I just wrapped them around the shrimp. And we want to continue to do this until all of our little shrimp balls are created, and this gave me 7 shrimp balls. I'm making this for myself, so perfect. Now over on the stove, we're going to heat up some neutral oil to only 300 degrees. We want to fry these over low heat because we don't want the outside to cook before the inside. So if we do it over too high of a heat, the spring roll strips are going to get burnt. So we're going to place in our shrimp balls and we're going to fry these for about 5 minutes, just until they're golden. So after about 3 minutes, I'm going to go in with a pair of chopsticks or a spatula or tongs, and we're going to flip these over. We're taking them out and letting them drain in a little paper towel. Now to plate, I'm plating this with the little chili sauce, I should say. I just made this with hoisin and sweet bean paste because that's what I had on hand. And these are looking beautiful. So now let's go ahead and give this a taste. I'm pretty excited giving this a little dip. The outside is super crunchy. The inside is perfectly cooked. You can taste the shrimp, the ginger, the garlic, and all those other spices we put in. And these are so easy and so delicious, and the easiest way to make one of the most popular dim sums at home. But there it is, fried shrimp balls. I hope you try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you again, and until next time, happy cooking.